Hey everyone, welcome back. If your YouTube videos aren't getting recommended or pushed by the algorithm, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and exactly how to fix it, step by step, in 2026. Step 1. Check audience retention. The algorithm favors videos that keep viewers watching. If viewers drop off in the first 10 to 30 seconds, YouTube is less likely to push your video. Focus on strong hooks, engaging intros, and maintaining a fast pace. Step 2. Analyze click-through rate. Go to Analytics, Reach CTR. Low clicks on your thumbnail or title mean the algorithm has less incentive to recommend your content. Optimize thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to attract attention without being clickbait. Step 3. Look at video consistency. Channels that upload regularly and consistently on a topic perform better. If your uploads are sporadic, the algorithm may push them less. Create a schedule and stick to it. Step 4. Check metadata and keywords. Relevant titles, tags, and descriptions help YouTube understand your video. If metadata is vague or misleading, the algorithm may not recommend it. Use targeted keywords your audience searches for. Step 5. Avoid low-value or reused content. Reused clips, compilations, or overly generic videos may get limited reach. Add unique commentary, value, or perspective to make your content stand out. Step 6. Monitor traffic sources. Check if views come from suggested, search, or external traffic. If suggested views are low, improve engagement signals like watch time and comments. Step 7. Be patient with new videos. Sometimes the algorithm takes time to test new uploads. Give videos a few days before making drastic changes. So if your YouTube algorithm isn't pushing your videos, it's usually about retention, CTR, metadata, or content quality. Not a penalty. Fix these areas and the algorithm will start recommending your videos again.